Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles without baking powder. First, understand that baking powder provides lift and crispness. We'll explore how to achieve similar results using other kitchen staples. This method is perfect if you've run out or prefer to avoid it. Get ready to impress your family with these surprisingly simple and tasty waffles. It's easier than you think to get that golden brown exterior and soft interior. The key to light waffles without baking powder lies in alternative leavening. One effective method is combining baking soda with an acid, such as 1/2 cup of buttermilk or 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Another excellent technique involves whipping egg whites separately until they form stiff peaks, then gently folding them into your batter. This adds significant air, creating a wonderfully airy texture. You can also use self-rising flour, which already has leavening mixed in. For the best results, ensure all your ingredients, especially eggs and milk, are at room temperature. This helps create a smoother, more consistent batter. When mixing, be careful not to overmix. A few small lumps are actually desirable and prevent tough waffles. Overmixing develops gluten too much. Always preheat your waffle iron completely before adding batter to ensure even cooking and that perfect golden brown, crispy exterior. Now you're ready to enjoy your delicious, homemade waffles without baking powder. Serve them warm with syrup, fresh fruit, or whipped cream. If you have any leftovers, they can be stored in an airtight container for up to 2 days or frozen for longer. They reheat beautifully in a toaster. And hey, while you're enjoying your breakfast, why not let a robot handle the cleanup? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.